Hey,
Yeah.
ladies and gentlemen, my name is Aditya Iyer. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader, and today we are doing a Women's Day special video where we have a very special guest from our NeoTrader family, who is Mrs. Vinisha. She has been part of our training program. She's a very active user of NeoTrader and also a very accomplished trader herself. So, without further ado, I would like to invite Vinisha. Vinisha, thank you so much for coming out today. And why don't you introduce yourself and speak a little bit about your journey in the stock markets for the benefit of all our viewers?
First of all, it's my pleasure to be, that Neo Trader is giving me this platform to encourage women, to actively participate in markets. I would say that I started my journey in markets like 10 years back, probably. I had done my MBA in finance. That's when I joined the fundamental research side of markets. So I was an analyst on the fundamental side for 4 to 5 years, but somewhere I realized that in order to know the market dynamics and completely the entire spectrum of stock markets, fundamental research was somewhere not enough, not the complete story. So I just wanted to explore the other side, the technical side. And I should say it was very fortunate enough that I got this knowledge, like my first-hand knowledge from Dr. C.K. Narayan sir, who I have done a couple of trainings with him, and that's what built my foundation of technical analysis in this field. So post that, I think investing and trading in this field was like never before. So thank you again, the chart advice team, the NT team, which really helped me in my, it just changed the approach towards markets for me.
That's wonderful to hear, Vinisha. So, Vinisha, let me ask you a question. People are afraid. The last 1 year has shown us that there can be a lot of uncertainty that can happen in life, and I think never before has it happened that the need for uh, multiple sources of income, the need for both spouses working, the need for more and more women to come out and start working and start having an independent source of income, that has taken center stage now. Do you believe that women especially, even may it be a newcomer or may it be someone who's already worked in the stock market before, do you think they can start earn a living from trading and also achieve financial freedom from the stock markets?
Yeah, sir. So, like, as rightly put by you, I mean, I think the last 1 year was definitely something where people were in such situations that you have never been before. But what I've observed was that since I was in this field for so many years, that one thing that really helps you in this field is the process, the discipline. And I
Right.
feel that if there is discipline and process in what you do, there will be only two outcomes in this field. Either you would earn, you would the outcome would be positive and you would earn, or the it will not work, but the damage will be minimum because you're following a certain process.
True.
So I think my message to all the people who have still not entered the markets or who are planning to enter the markets is that this is a great field, not only to take care of your financial independence, but if you see, it can really over years create serious wealth generation. And I think women will no longer be women, and they will be the man of the house, earning and really creating some wealth over the years. So I think it's an excellent field, but yes, discipline and process comes first.
I think that was just a wonderful statement that you just made. And I must say I completely agree with that. And yes, discipline and process is the way to go ahead. And so when it comes to discipline, when it comes to process, how do you think your training with ChartAdvice and your application of NeoTrader has helped you? Do you think it has helped you in your journey in your stock market trading?
So what I feel is that yes, my first block, like I can genuinely say that my first block in technical analysis was because of chart advice, was because of Dr. C.K. Narayan sir, where I did my from my basic to advanced training courses in technical analysis. That completely laid my foundation for how to see the markets, how to see the charts, identifying the trends, and not only sticking to that, but it gave me conviction over things. So that was my building block, and I have learned a lot because of that. And where NeoTrader came into place was that I think NeoTrader was complete cherry on the top, because all the work that I was doing manually over, scanning 500 stocks in Nifty 500, and then, depending on which sectors are looking good, manually and daily, seeing those stocks over different parameters, then making a list. But NeoTrader filters all those stocks like within a minute for me with those parameters. So whether it is my daily research for intraday bets or for weekend research, with NeoTrader, I'm able to get the list of stocks with strong trends, and then I just have to work on the charts, reading, and then I'm ready with my trading or investment bets. So I think NT has a very unique system of scoring. So that really helps in intraday also. So like when market opens, and there are like you don't know sometimes which sector will work. So all of that is covered so well. So that gives you a real winning edge, if you see.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful to hear. So now I would use, you spoke so much about scoring and so much about the various pages of NeoTrader. I would like to ask you, what is your favorite strategy from NeoTrader? Now, everyone knows you're an expert in Ichimoku, and that I can already guess that that may be one of your favorite tools. But if you have to pick one, and which one would you pick?
I think yes, Ichimoku is my favorite one, and I was very delighted with the fact, because I have not seen it getting covered the way it got covered in NeoTrader. So yes, I that's my favorite page, and I will surely talk about that first, because it gives me like with one glance that I know that these stocks are in the bullish and bearish in under Ichimoku. Then I really like the Camarilla page, which gives me a good view whether these stocks are looking good for weekly, monthly, and then when I compare it with the the momentum indicators, the trend strength and all, I am ready with a list where I know that these stocks are trending up, they are with strong trend. And also with these scorings, I get these positional calls really very well set from the NeoTrader pages.
That's great. So do you think that after applying all of these things from NeoTrader, you've had better results in your trading in terms of whatever it may be profits, or maybe a higher hit rate or something like that?
Definitely, definitely. I think one, it saves your time in stock selection, filtering. That is one very important thing, because it's like a whole universe of stocks we have. We have Nifty 500, mid cap, small cap. So that is like one main thing that it does. It filters the stocks with you and the parameters that you really want. And also with the personalized watch list that we have, you can even filter the stocks on that basis. So that really saves my time big time. And also if I see my weekend research and all of that, that has really improved a lot because of NeoTrader. So I feel yes, it has changed, and it has really definitely resulted in very good profits this year because of NeoTrader.
That's great. So thank you so much for laying it out the way you did. Now, finally, I would like to ask you one last question. What would be your message first to aspiring traders, and second, more specifically, your message to women traders who are already in the market, or for all of these women who are looking to enter the market? What would be your message to them?
So for aspiring traders, I would say that um, this is a great field with infinite knowledge that you get. It's like every day you learn, you earn, and if there are losses, they only teach you. So I think it's a very win-win situation for all. And from for all the women out there, I really feel that investing and trading is boils down to discipline. And I think there are no two thoughts that when it comes to discipline and attention to detail, women really score high. So I think stay positive, work hard, and I think you can really make it. We all can make it together. We can inspire each other, and above all, believe in yourself. And I think your conviction will go a long way in making you go as far as you can't even imagine.
That's such a wonderful message that you just shared. Thank you so much for coming out, and thank you so much for voicing your message, because you are an inspiration to all of us in our Neo Trader family. And not only that, any trader or any woman or anyone watching this video, you are going to be an inspiration to them, because they will hear you, and they will think that if you could do it, and if you did it, even I can do it. So that is the best part about inspiring and motivating others. So thank you so much for taking the time out and coming for this video. And
My pleasure.
yeah, okay, yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. My pleasure.